Capital. Now trouble mounts for Kejriwal as ED gets centre's nod to prosecute him in liquor policy case. Home Ministry has given permission to prosecute Arvind Kejriwal in money laundering case related to liquor scam. So this is the crucial information that we are getting at this point. Breaking input as far as the national capital is concerned. Now the MHA has given permission to prosecute Arvind Kejriwal in money laundering case. I am now joined by CNN News 18's Arunima on this broadcast. Arunima, very crucial decision that is coming in from the MHA. I want to ask you, what is the next process? Does this mean immediate arrest of Arvind Kejriwal? What is the process that is followed after prosecution being given from the MHA?
The arrest was already, done by the Enforcement Directorate, based on which they filed a charge sheet. During the course of interrogation, they found some crucial details and then filed a charge sheet. This charge sheet was taken cognizance of. In layman's term, the charge sheet was accepted by the special ED court and the stage was set for framing of charges. It is then that Arvind Kejriwal's lawyers went to the High Court challenging the lower court's decision to go ahead with framing of charges, saying that the sanction to prosecute him has not been obtained. It's a technicality. 3 weeks ago, LG's office, source-based information started coming out that sanction to prosecute has already been given, but Aam Aadmi Party started asking, where is the paper? How do we believe what the LG is saying? Now, both the Enforcement Directorate and Ministry of Home Affairs officials are putting their stamp of authenticity on that news as well. They are confirming that not just Arvind Kejriwal, but even Manish Sisodia, the sanction to prosecute both of them in the liquor policy scam under PMLA charges have been received. What means from here on is that the trial in this particular case could begin. Just to give you a backgrounder, Kejriwal is out on bail because the trial was delayed and he said that, it is against his rights and that's why the Supreme Court granted him bail. When the trial begins, could this mean that the prosecution could go back to the Supreme Court and say that he should not be allowed this kind of liberty? It could definitely make it more difficult for him to come back as Chief Minister of Delhi, even if the Aam Aadmi Party wins these elections.
A very crucial point being made by Arunima at this point, that even if the Aam Aadmi Party comes back to power, it seems it will in fact be difficult for Arvind Kejriwal to become the Chief Minister. But at the same time, Arunima, when we talk about the entire prosecution permission being given to the ED, this could in fact be taken up by the Aam Aadmi Party once again as a political vendetta, given the timing, how the Delhi elections are just around the corner.
Absolutely. So, even when the CAG report on Sheesh Mahal on liquor policy was leaked, it was the same line that was taken. Sanjay Singh, in fact, on Saturday was asking who has seen the CAG report. It's all BJP's political game that is happening. The same line could be taken again. And like I was pointing out, this news about prosecution sanction being given was first given to us by Lieutenant Governor's office officials there.
Yes.
Source-based came out about 3 weeks ago that this sanction has come. Even then, the Aam Aadmi Party had challenged this source-based information. Ultimately, that paper has to be produced in the court when the next date of hearing comes. So at the next date of hearing, perhaps it will the ED's prosecution lawyers will apprise the court. But right now, what the MHA and the Enforcement Directorate officials are confirming, that not just for Arvind Kejriwal, but even for Manish Sisodia, MHA has gone ahead and given ED the sanction to prosecute. This was mandated by the Supreme Court. Supreme Court had asked the ED to obtain specific sanctions, and now ED is confirming that they have managed to obtain that.
All right. Arunima, I request you to please stay with us as I'm also joined by CNN News 18's Anshul Singh on this broadcast. Anshul, very crucial decision that has been taken by the MHA. What are you picking up from the Aam Aadmi Party, and also can they challenge this prosecution sanction that has been given by MHA at this point?
Well, it is very unlikely that any sort of challenge could be presented from the side of the Aam Aadmi Party regarding the prosecution sanction that has come in from the MHA. And before this, last month itself, the prosecution sanction was given from the side of the Lieutenant Governor. This is a very small constitutional technicality that lies in place, because what initially happened is that the lawyers from the Aam Aadmi Party and the lawyers for Manish Sisodia and Arvind Kejriwal had appraised the court that the prosecution complaint that has been taken by the Central Bureau of Investigation, that is not enough for the Enforcement Directorate to go ahead and prosecute Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia in this particular matter. And that is the reason why the Enforcement Directorate went ahead and initially took the permission from the Lieutenant Governor, and now the permission from the MHA has also come in. Now what this actually means for the Aam Aadmi Party and for Arvind Kejriwal at this point in time is that the Enforcement Directorate can now go ahead and start the trial, in which the first phase is going to be the framing of charges that will happen against both the then Chief Minister and the then Deputy Chief Minister of the National Capital. And definitely this is going to raise much more trouble. And as very rightly Arunima pointed out, that the Aam Aadmi Party was hoping that somewhere or the other they could get some sort of a relief in the bail conditions that has been granted to Arvind Kejriwal, because still now the Supreme Court has very clearly mandated in the bail that it had given that Arvind Kejriwal cannot enter the Secretariat and cannot give his official signature on any official work that is being done by the Delhi government or from the Chief Minister office. Now that was something that was a technicality that the Aam Aadmi Party was hoping would be done away with by requesting the courts. Now, since the prosecution sanction has been given from the side of the MHA, now definitely it is going to be a very uphill task for the Aam Aadmi Party to actually go ahead and convince the courts at this point in time to remove this condition from the bail conditions that have been given to the Aam Aadmi Party. So definitely a very difficult time for the Aam Aadmi Party, as the Enforcement Directorate is going to amp up more pressure, and in fact is going to go ahead with framing of charges against Arvind Kejriwal. And once these charges are framed against him, then definitely this is going to be a very big setback for the Aam Aadmi Party and for Arvind Kejriwal, who continue to maintain that they are Kattar Imandar. But if at all charges are framed against them, and the charges that have been put against them by the Enforcement Directorate, if all those charges are framed, then definitely it is going to be a massive setback for the Aam Aadmi Party.
Absolutely. Trouble mounts for Arvind Kejriwal.